tell them if you fly them flag up on that. Fly your flag in a foreign youth. Happy independence. Fly the flag of the independence youth. Fly the flag of the independence youth. So this is what the Jamaicans in my city is doing for independence. It's like 7 p.m. People are still rolling in.
One big Jamaican flag.
Give me Jamaica flag, let me wave.
Can I have the representatives from the city of Lauderhill, please? To make a presentation to a proclamation for the legendary, I won't borrow your mic. One quick second.
Go, sister.
Because as they come on stage, we're going to start with the lady, the mayor. Mr. Thurston, how are you, sir? Let's start with you and you can introduce the members of the commission.
Flower got on stage.